Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Comfy Crafter. I am The Comfy Crafter and I have been going through the Crochet Society Advent CAL for 2022. We are up to day 5 now, but before we get on to opening the box, we're going to have a quick recap of what was done for days 1, 2, 3 and 4. So day 1 was raised trebles. Mine came out a little bit wonky because it's the first time I've tried these particular stitches, but after blocking it is the right size, so for the time being I'm going to leave it as. I might redo it later on, but for the time being I'm going to leave it as it is. Then we've got day 2, which was a tapestry style with hearts on, large hearts on that one. The pink and the white don't contrast well on the camera, but they look really good in person, so I'm really happy with that one. Now day 3 I've had to play catch up because I hadn't managed to get day 3 done before day 4. So day 3 is done with treble crochet again, this time using a 3.5mm hook, and it's got bobble stitches in there, so 3 bobble stitches per triangle. I am probably going to have to block this one just to flatten it out, but it has turned out the right size, so I'm again really pleased with that. And then day 4 is a tapestry style again. This time it's fir trees, so once again it will need blocking because it's come out a bit wonky, but it has come out the right size, and that one was done with the 4mm hook from day 1. So let's go ahead and have a look at day 5. So in day 5 we have, as always, the Confection DK range of wool. This is 100% acrylic wool, and it is in the, well, acrylic yarn, sorry, and it is in the colour 39 Foam Shrimp. So again, the camera doesn't quite do it justice today, but it is a beautiful pink colour. The colour palette on this whole CAL so far has been very muted pinks, reds, whites. Beautiful and totally in line with Bella Coco, as far as I can tell from the past Crochet Society boxes. And also in the box is some wooden beads. Now I suspect that these are for the mini makes, but I'll have a look and I'll talk to you about them in a second. And I'll just drop them. Yeah, so I'm not going to empty these out, obviously, but these are little wooden beads. So when I say mini makes, there are, as well as the squares for this calendar, there are 4 mini makes, I think, being released on days 5, 10, 15 and 20. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to show you both the square for day 5 and whatever the mini make is. Hopefully I need as long as I don't get distracted, I'll get them done. But thank you for joining me once again to open up box 5, and I look forward to seeing what's in box 6 tomorrow. Goodbye.